Chargepoint stock price prediction update. Okay, guys, so we're going to take a quick breather from the whole meme stocks videos because it's the weekend, and I wanted to talk a little bit about some of my long positions, guys. Okay, so obviously I've been posting a lot of videos lately on AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, and things like that. But I do also hold, of course, my long high growth portfolio, and a lot of these stocks are EV stocks, of course, and this portfolio is separate from my AMC, GameStop portfolio and things like that. So obviously, you know, guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about ChargePoint. They recently released earnings, so we're going to kind of dig into that earnings report in this video. And I've decided to start using Weeble's desktop platform. So you guys, you know, I use Weeble all the time. I use their web app a ton, probably every day. And now I wanted to kind of learn how to use the desktop platform a lot more because we can do a lot more things with Weeble. You can create watch lists and things like that, a lot of technical analysis. So if you guys are interested in checking out Weeble's desktop platform, just click the link in the description below and you guys will get 2 free stocks if you sign up using my referral link and deposit $100. Okay, so let's give you guys a quick update of basically what happened with earnings. So you can find all this information on the link at investors.chargepoint.com. So ChargePoint had revenue up 24% year over year, and network charging revenue increased 36% year over year. And they brought in a record number of new customers to more than 5,000 customers. And they have around $600 million in cash to support growth. So let's quickly read this. It says, our first quarter reflects the strengths of our diversified business model across commercial, fleet, and residential, and the benefits of our industry-leading scale. Okay, says the CEO. We added more customers than any other prior quarter, and our commercial business experienced strong recovery after the pandemic headwinds. The driver of our business, electrification of mobility, continues with over 2.3 million EVs expected to be sold in the U.S. and Europe in 2021, a year-over-year growth rate of 40%. We expect acceleration in our business as EV penetration economies in our key market reopen. Our strong balance sheet and capital-light business model positions us to continue going forward. So ChargePoint, they did $40.5 million in revenue, up 24%. Gross margins remained slightly down. Okay, net losses, okay, included a bit, but a lot of that was from the warrants. Okay, great liquidity, $600 million in cash, and 305 million shares outstanding. Okay, they have great guidance as well, and they are looking to do around 200 million a year in revenue. So if we head over to the investor presentation to give you guys kind of a visualization of some of these numbers, of course, a lot of this kind of slow, slow growth was due to the pandemic because people just weren't driving. But the good thing is, guys, okay, you know, basically this company is going to benefit from the growth in EV adoption. Okay, so as EVs go, ChargePoint goes. So, you know, what's really important here is I really think it's important to have a long-term view on this stock, okay? So year to date, I think a lot of people, if you bought at the top there, you know, you're probably down a bit. So if we can take a look at here are some percentages, okay? So the stock is down, you know, it's down around, 18% year to date, okay? But if we zoom out, right, we zoom out from like a longer-term standpoint, okay, we're still up almost 200%, okay? So, you know, like I said, this is a long-term hold for me. This is not the type of stock that I'm going to be going in and out of, trading in and out of. It doesn't have that type of volume to do that anyway. And the fact is that we're not going to see mass electrification in general, probably until 2025, 2030 anyway. So if we kind of go back here to this year-to-date chart, to give you guys a quick technical analysis, we saw major support at $20. And I mentioned that this was an awesome buying opportunity. And now look at that. The stock is recovering. It's up almost 50% from those previous lows. And if from a technical standpoint, we have a bottom, a bottom, a bottom, and a zoom. So now, you know, I've been doing a lot of research. Obviously, a lot of things are opening up in the economy. We got Joe Biden's infrastructure plan. You know, we've got a lot of bullish catalysts that look like we're going to be pushing ChargePoint forward. So the only thing we really have to do is break out past its previous resistance levels of around like $45, $47, and ChargePoint's going to go to the moon, guys. So I still have a long-term price target of $3,000 for ChargePoint by the end of this decade. I'm not selling a single share. there's two things that I'm not going to be selling any of this decade. That's Bitcoin and Chargepoint stock, guys. So I'm really bullish on these both, and I think Chargepoint is a fantastic long-term hold. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button if you enjoyed it, and hit the red subscribe button to receive more future Chargepoint videos from me. So that's it. Until next time, guys. Take care.